Now that we created our first product, provided that you'll be selling a physical product, you need to ship it. To set up shipping in WooCommerce, we first need to set up shipping zones and then methods to that zones, and lastly the rates for those methods. You can create as many zones, methods and rates as you'd like. To create our first shipping zone, on your dashboard click WooCommerce, select Settings, Proceed to Shipping tab. You will see this warning here, which will explain basically what a shipping zone is, how it works. Shipping zone is geographical area to which you ship your items. For instance, if you're in the United States, the US is a shipping zone. This is a shipping zone name which you will use for your reference. Let's say United States. In zone regions, choose the region to which you want to ship with this specific shipping zone. Let's choose United States and click Save Changes. Now head over to Shipping Options, which is the second link here. And now let's just see if we made all the default options like they should be. Of course, you can set these up according to your personal preference, but I will enable the shipping calculator, and also I would like to ship to the default customer shipping address and not the billing address. Click Save Changes. Now head over to Shipping Classes. While you're in Shipping Classes, click Add Shipping Class. Shipping classes can be used to group products of similar type and can be used by some shipping methods, such as flat rate shipping. So basically this means that we can have flat rate shipping for our t-shirts, and we can have flat rate shipping for our shoes. So let's now create t-shirts. Just click Save and add another one. Just say shoes and save this one as well. Okay, now that we have shipping classes, head back to shipping zones, and where you added your zone, in my case this is United States, click Edit. Now we're going to create a shipping method for the United States shipping zone. Click Add Shipping Method, and now you can choose flat rate, free shipping or local pickup. One thing I would like to mention about this is that WooCommerce is quite limited in terms of setting up some complicated shipping methods out of the box, but there are insane amount of tutorials and plugins, and if you have if you want to set up more complicated shipping method, just do a bit of Google researching and I'm sure that you'll find it. And I'll also put a link, as I mentioned, to the video from another YouTuber which explains quite well the shipping in WooCommerce. For now, I'm just going to use flat rate shipping, so choose flat rate and click Add Shipping. So now we've set up flat rate shipping for our United States zone. We also set shipping classes, if you remember. Now we will see what are they and how they are used. Now that you're in the flat rate, click Edit. And now we're going to customize our own flat rate shipping. So here you can add the name to your shipping. I will just leave it as flat rate. You can choose the tax status, whether it's taxable or not. I will put that it is not taxable. You can also put the cost here, but it's better to leave it empty, because if you put here $3.95, then you need to configure these two shippings a little bit different. So you have in the toolbars explanation how you will do that, but for now I'll just leave that empty. And I'm going to choose the price for the shoes. Let's say that each shoes I'll be shipping will be $7 and t-shirts will be $4. You can also choose the calculation type or how the shipping will be chosen. You can choose to calculate it per class, which will charge shipping for each shipping class individually, or per order, charge shipping for the most expensive shipping. I'll just leave it that it is charged individually. Click Save Changes. So there you have it. Now you added the flat rate shipping for our t-shirts and our shoes. Now we need to assign that shipping we created and assign it to our product. So head back to Product tab here, click All Product. First, let's assign shipping to our t-shirt. So I'm just going to here select all the t-shirts. Okay, that's enough, like 4 t-shirts. And up here I'm going to select bulk action edit and click apply. From the all the options here, you can of course edit whatever you wish and do a bunch of stuff here in the bulk edit, but I'm going to set shipping as t-shirts. Click update, and now let's select all the shoes. So now I'm basically just assigning a certain shipping method to a certain product, so that's basically it. Head back to shipping here and choose shoes. Again, I would like to clarify just that there are many things you can do with shipping, and there is just no universal way in which I can show this tutorial so that it suits everybody. So I will leave a bunch of tutorials and documentations in the descriptions of this video so that you can learn a bit more. This is actually one of the trickiest parts of WooCommerce, setting up the shipping. So let's now summarize what we did in this video. We choose shipping zone, which is basically a region where you want to ship your products to. For that region, we split two ways of shipping. One was specific for t-shirts, the other one was specific for shoes. So we assigned both of those to flat rate shipping. Once we did that, we assigned specific shipping method for each product. So we created two separate shipping methods for shoes, and the other one was for t-shirts. So we basically just assigned shipping method shirts to all the t-shirts, shipping method shoes to all the shoes. And for the third time, I'll put links to all the documentations about the shipping. It is a very specific thing in WooCommerce, and there is no universal way in which I can show it so that it fits every store owner needs. So I'll put a bunch of videos and documentations for this specific step, and you can go ahead and just Google it or read those docs, and you'll find a way to adjust the shipping according to your need. I hope that this video made the shipping a little bit clearer in WooCommerce. And now that we set up everything, we're going to customize our store just a little bit. And once we do that, we're going to set up a payment method for our store. So we're getting very close to launching our first store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.